here we are. It's Friday night. It's Halloween weekend. I don't really care about that. Anyway, I'm also in my pajamas. We're gonna make an experiment. Okay, it's two drunks in the kitchen tonight. I'm gonna make an experimental drink that we taste tested earlier, and it's pretty damn good. So here we go. This is called a pineapple upside down cake. Yeah. So here we go. It starts out.
Do we need to preheat the oven?
No, and there's no brown sugar involved either. So we're going to start with a 1/4 ounce of Grenadine in our 2-ounce shot glasses. This is going to be a layered drink. So I'm just going to because I know how much that. It's all right. We're not, we pretty much don't even drink it. It just looks pretty in there. Okay, there you go. That's it. Grenadine. Next, we're going to have 2 ounces of vodka. We're going to use this Humboldt Distillery vodka because this is my favorite local vodka. I drink a lot of this. So 2 ounces of this. Here on top in our jigger. There's ice in that little thingamajigger right there.
Shaker.
Shaker, yes, thank you. And then we have 1 ounce of pineapple juice. Which is, pineapple is the main important ingredient. Look at that, I didn't even spill yet. This is going to go in here too. Just like that. Now we're going to shake this. It's nice and chilled. Always smile. I need to get my rhythm. Bartenders have a rhythm. Now we're going to pour this over the Grenadine. Over the back of a spoon. That's how layered drinks are done properly. So we're just gonna carefully do this and hope that it doesn't blend. I'm a little blurry-eyed. Hope I get to the top. Whoop. That one kind of went a little mixed. Oop. Still layering really nicely. Okay. I don't have a garnish. We're just gonna go with this. But just see. Okay. Look at that. This one's really good. Okay, there you go. That's it. That's a pineapple upside down layered shot drink. Just like my mama used to make. So thanks for watching 2 drunk cooks in the kitchen, and we'll see you next time. Here we go. We're gonna have our pineapple upside down cake shot. Cheers.
That's really good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, happy Halloween.
That would be candy corn drink. There's probably one of those.
Oh no, that wouldn't be happy. Candy corn.
Thanks for watching.
Looks like Halloween, tastes like Groundhog's Day.
Good one.